In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam No Connection. If Steam is stuck on no connection or won't go online, the quickest fix is often a complete restart that clears out any background processes. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that on Windows so Steam can reconnect cleanly. First, we're going to restart Steam, but not just by closing the window. Start by closing Steam completely. If the main window is open, click the X as you normally would. Then, check the system tray near the clock on your taskbar. If you see the Steam icon there, right-click it and choose Exit. This is important because simply closing the window can leave services running in the background that keep Steam in a half-open state. Give it a few seconds to fully close. Next, open Task Manager using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift plus this ESC. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details to expand it. You'll see two main areas to check: Apps at the top and Background Processes below. We want to make sure no Steam components are still running after you exited. Now, end any Steam.exe processes that are still active. In the Processes tab, look for entries like Steam, Steam.exe, or Steam Client Bootstrapper. Select each one and click End Task. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead. Be methodical here. End every Steam-related entry you can find so nothing is left behind to interfere with a fresh launch. Avoid ending other programs you're using, especially anything with unsaved work. When you're done, you shouldn't see Steam anywhere in the list. With Steam fully closed, it's time to launch it again. Open Steam from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. On first launch after a clean shutdown, Steam may take a moment to initialize, and you might see it check for updates. That's normal. Once the client opens, give it a brief moment to reconnect. You should see your friends list populate, the store and library load normally, and your downloads resume if any were paused. This complete restart clears out stuck connections and lingering background tasks that commonly cause the no connection message. If the issue was a temporary hiccup, this process usually gets you back online right away. And even if the message persists, you've ruled out one of the most common causes and ensured Steam is starting fresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick reset helps you get back to your games without any connection headaches.